Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you a really interesting YouTube niche. Okay, in that niche, if you create videos, you can make a lot of money and there is not much competition in that niche. Okay, so if you really want to make $2,000 every single month as a passive income through YouTube, then watch this video till the end and I'm gonna show you and tell you the entire strategy and what type of videos you are going to create, how to create those videos, and how you can make money out of those videos. Everything will be covered in this video, so watch this video till the end. But before jumping into the content, I want to show you that if you really are interested in making a lot of money with YouTube, then I highly recommend this tool. This tool is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, and this tool helps you to rank your videos on Google as well as YouTube. I personally use this tool to rank my videos on YouTube. So you can also use this tool and rank your videos really fast and really make a lot of money utilizing this tool. Okay, now let's jump into the content. Let me show you the niche. Let me show you what type of videos you can create. Now, the first thing I want to tell you that you don't need to show your face to create this type of videos. You don't even need to have a voiceover for this type of videos. All you need is just to find some video ideas and you can start making money with this type of videos. And I highly recommend to use this tool so that you can rank your videos and grow your channel in the minimum time possible. And this tool only costs you $27. So just go and use this tool if you really want to make a lot of money from YouTube. Now let's jump into the content and let me show you what is that channel. This channel is known as Mr. Nightmare. Okay, and this channel has a whopping 4.96 million subscribers. Okay, that's really insane, and you can see it uploads really simple videos just like this. You can see these videos on this channel are really very simple, like 10 creepy secret rooms found in a house. Okay, three real Instagram horror stories. So what this guy is doing that he is just finding some random videos from YouTube. Okay, he is finding some random horror stories, and then what he is doing is that he is just narrating those horror stories in these videos, and all he places is a simple image in the background of these videos. Okay, that's really easy and that's really simple because all he has is a very simple just horror images in the background of these videos, and he is narrating the entire stories over here. And many of the people are interested in listening to this type of stories, and that's the reason why this type of videos get a lot of views, and that's the reason why you can make a lot of money with this type of channel. Okay, let's see the most popular videos of this channel. You can see that this video has got 22 million views. Yeah, 22 million views. See, 10 nightmarish animals that you will be happy that they are extinct. Okay, so all these are really very simple videos. And where can you find this type of short stories? I'm gonna reveal to you in this video. So just keep watching this video and let me show you this really simple videos. Then just he is using some of the random images in the background of these videos and giving some of the voiceover to these videos, and that's it. If you give that voiceover by your own, that would be the best. But if you really don't want to make the voiceover by yourself, then you can hire someone. Okay, I'm gonna tell you where you can hire people who will make this type of videos, write this type of scripts for you. Everything would be done and automated for you. All you need to do is start making money with this. Okay, this is really something, and I haven't found many of the competitor channels to this channel. So it's really a category which can make you a lot of money and which doesn't have much competition. That's really insane and that's really interesting. Okay, so now for what you have to do is firstly you just have to make this type of channel. So just make a decision that I'm gonna make this type of channel. Why I am telling you to make a decision to create a channel just like this? Because most of the people would be watching these videos and will never take action. But I want you to take action. and really make money if you are following the strategies which I am telling you in this video. Okay, so the first thing is you need to take action. Now for the background of for this background images which he is using in his video, let me show you what type of background images he is using. Okay, so you can see this video is monetized, and that's probably because he is making money with these videos, and he is using some random clips, stock footage, as well as some stock scary images. Okay, that can be easily found on this website, which is known as Pexels.com. Just go to Pexels and search for scary images. IMAGES. Just search for some scary images and you can find a lot of them. See, so these are some of the scary images which you can use in your those type of videos. So that's really easy and that's really simple. Okay, just download this from here absolutely for free, as well as you can also find some scary videos over here. You can see, so this type of scary videos are available over here on the internet, so you can just use this as some scary videos. Okay, and there are a lot more websites such as pixabay.com, and you can find all this type of scary videos over there which you can use, or you can also type in horror videos. Okay, and you can find a lot of stuff like that, horror videos. Okay, and just enter, place the button enter, and you can see that all the scary horror videos are available to you. Now you can just use these videos in your video. Okay, so you can use these videos, download them absolutely for free from this website, and then you can use these videos. Okay, really simply. Now the thing is that you can download stock videos over here and stock images from over here. Now from where you are going to find this type of horror stories which are available in this YouTube channel? Okay, that's really a big question which many of you may be asking. Okay, so now let me reveal from where you can find this type of really interesting horror stories. Okay, I'm also gonna tell you where you can find this type of horror stories for paid. Okay, for after paying some money, and also gonna show you where you can find this type of horror stories absolutely for free. Okay, so now let's go and first tell you. So just go to Fiverr and just search for horror stories. Okay, and you can find that this guys will write a horror story for you. Okay, so this guys can write a horror story for you. So you want a 400, so this guy will write a 400 word horror story for you. All he will do is write a story and send that story to you. All you need to do is read that story and narrate that story. Okay, or if you don't even want to do that, you can hire this voiceover professionals from over here from Fiverr. Okay, and they will do that work for you. They will they will narrate the horror story for you, and all you need to do is then just convert that into a video. Now to create a video, you need to download this software which is known as OpenShot Video Editor. It's available absolutely for free on the internet. All you need to do is download this to your computer, which is known as OpenShot Video Editor. Okay, and it's available absolutely for free. It's an open source software. Okay, now let me tell you that how you can find these horror stories absolutely for free. Okay, then you just need to go to Google, and let me show you. We just need to go to Google and just search for horror stories, PLR. Okay, and just press enter, and you can see that these are you can find a lot of horror stories, PLR. Okay, okay, so you can see that plr.com. Go to this website and you can find a lot of things. Okay, so you can see this 10 real estate horror films on demonic dwellings and family friendly locations. Okay, so all these types of books are available which are almost, you can see that, copyright free books. Now all you need to do is download these books from over here, read those books and find out the stories which are available in those books, and after that you can narrate those stories into your videos. Okay, and these are some of the ready-made scripts which you can get. Okay, so you can use this type of articles, PLR articles for this type of videos, and you can make a lot of videos just like this. Okay, so you can hire someone for voiceover, you can hire someone for making a thumbnail for you if you really want all these things to be automated, or you can also do this stuff all by yourself if you don't have the money in the initial phases. That's really important, and this is how you can make almost a very good amount of money doing this really easy method, because this channel is getting almost 13 million views every single month. That's the reason why this channel is making up to $20,000 every single month, but just by uploading this type of very simple videos, and they are making a lot of money. Now let me again remind you that if you are really going to take action on this method and really want views on your videos really very fast, more subscribers to your videos, then you should definitely use this software which is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, this will really provide you some of the key advantages for ranking your videos, and if your videos rank in the YouTube search and the Google search, then there is a great chance that you are going to get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views to your channel, and that really translates into more money you are going to earn through YouTube. So that's the reason why I am recommending this product to you if you are really working on YouTube and really want to increase your views, or if you are going to take action on this strategy. I highly recommend you this product, Video Marketing Blaster, and it can really provide you a great value, because I have been personally using this product and I don't have any problem in promoting this product, and you can see that it costs really less, and for a very less price it's providing you the biggest value ever. That's really the best thing about this product, because this product provides you entire YouTube SEO just for $27. Okay, many of the affiliate gurus are charging a lot of money, thousands of dollars, just for teaching you how to do SEO on YouTube. But this product teaches you the same stuff in $27. So just click on the first link in the description and you can get this product, as well as you can take action on this strategy, make a channel just like this, and start making a lot of money with this YouTube channel. So if you got some value out of this video, just press the like button under this video and subscribe button next to it, so that you will get notified every time I come up with the awesome videos just like this. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, thanks for watching, and also follow us on Instagram. Link is in the description.